welcome back! Guess what we have today? A super awesome iPhone cake! Yeah! Wow! Doesn't it look so realistic? Alright, let's start with our cake. It's a different shape today. Remember? Because we want it to look like an iPhone. So we're going to spread on our frosting. Now we're going to go to the modeling. Remember, if you love watching these videos, hit that subscribe button. Give us a big thumbs up. Tell us what your favorite app is on your iPhone in the comments. Alright, we're going to roll out lots and lots of dough. Remember, you can always do this with Play-Doh for fun. Just don't eat your Play-Doh. Take your time rolling it all out and cutting it with our pizza cutter. Pizza. What's your favorite flavor of pizza? Now we're going to use some cookie cutters to give us nice edges. Ooh. Do you know what that's going to be? Alright, now we're also going to make some app logos. Look how awesome those are turning out. Wow! So excited to see it! Now we're making symbols! Do you recognize what the symbols are? They look so cool! Don't those look just like your phone? Wow! Which one is that? So cool! Remember, hit that subscribe button. Give us a huge thumbs up. Tell us what your favorite app is in the comments. Twitter, Instagram, messages, calendar. All the apps are here. It looks so awesome! So realistic! Isn't this super fun? This would be a perfect birthday cake for somebody who loves their phone! Do you love your phone? Alright, let's put it all together and see what it looks like finished. It together carefully. Here's the big band we made. It's going to be the edge of the phone. Oh, it's going to look so awesome. Cut off your extra. Remember, don't cut your fingers. Aw, looks so good. Start assembling. Add your glue. That looks so cool. You can't forget your on and off side buttons. Add a little bit of metallic paint. Isn't that metallic paint so awesome? So shiny. Now we're going to start adding our apps. You know what those are. Oh, it looks so cool. It almost looks too awesome to eat, huh? So fun. Yummy, yummy. Wow. Remember, if you love these videos, hit that subscribe button. Give us a huge thumbs up. Leave us a comment. Just adding the last details. Can't forget your earbuds. That's so you can listen to music or this video. Some more magic cake. So fun!